Guys, do you want to delete the likes on Instagram? So I'm just going to tell you exactly how to do that. So just to make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So let's get started and first of all just open up your Instagram app, and once you open up just go to your profile section, and here you'll see the three lines on the top right. Just simply tap on the two lines and click on your activity. So that's where you can easily find the option of likes on the very top. Just simply tap on likes. Just tap on likes, and then here it will show all of the posts and reels which you have liked. Just simply tap on select in either to delete them, and tap on this checkbox which you want to delete, and click on unlike, and click on unlike to continue. So that's how you can easily delete likes on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I will catch you on the next video, and I'll recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.